Hi, I'm Beauty Advisor Calvin Brockington with Cam Ready Cosmetics, and we're going to talk about the differences between the classic RCMA No Color Powder and the new Premier Powder. And first, let me state, if you have the original RCMA No Color Powder, it's an industry standard. It's always worked, it's always never failed, so if you have this and you love it, well, just stay tuned and see what's different between this and the new Premier powders. So just like the original, it comes both in a loose form and it comes in a pressed form. So why the Premier powder? Well, this powder is talc-free, vegan, and slightly luminous. So it's kind of more of a beauty powder. So the Premier powder comes in 4 different shades. It comes in No Color, Amber, Amethyst, and Topaz. And now I'll show you how to use them. For reference, I'm wearing the RCMA foundation and concealer already on my skin. In the loose form, you'll get 3 shades. You'll get No Color, Amber, and Topaz. So for under my eyes, I want to use a loose powder. I'm going to use Topaz. Taking it in the cap, swirling it around, giving it a good tap. And then we just go in. And for the rest of my face, I'll be going in with Topaz pressed powder. You can find all the RCMA Premier powders at CamReadyCosmetics.com or the Cam Ready store. We'll see you there.